I've got the Onyx AM24 and self-inflatable life jacket. I'm going to show you how to rearm it. I've had it a couple, 3 years now, and the date's run out on my cartridge. We're going to be putting a new one in. I'm going to show you how I do it. My life jacket still got pressure on the cartridge. I'm going to inflate it, and then we're going to change it. That was fun. Man, you talking about powerful. That's powerful. Now you want to deflate your life jacket. Turn your cap inside out here. Get all the air out of it. Make sure you buy the right rearming kit for your life jacket. It'll tell you on the life jacket what it is. AM24. It'll come with a new bobbin and a new indicator. And you can see on the back of your kit, it'll have a date. That's when you replace it. And you got your cartridge. And we want to come in here and remove this threaded cap. Then you want to remove your old bobbin. You want to look at it, make sure you put it new one back in right. Got the white on the bottom. The yellow goes on the top. And it'll have an expiration date on it. And I want to put the white on the bottom just like the other one come off. Then you have to line up your grooves. You'll have grooves inside on your cartridge. Make sure you don't cross thread it. It's threaded on there straight. And the bottom part of your canister should be green. And mine is. Now you want to remove your cartridge. Then you want to thread your new cartridge in. Thread it until it's tight. Make sure your little gasket stays in there too. Should have a gasket in it. Then you can look on your indicator clip. You should have a little notch in the top. That's where your pull rope goes. And it should snap in there. Then once you replace your indicator clip, it should be smooth. That should be green. That should be hand tight. Now you want to roll your life jacket back up. I printed out a label. I'm going to put that on my cartridge itself so I know the date to replace it. Now I know when to replace it. Now you want to simply follow your directions on your life jacket. Got it deflated. Step 2, fold that under. Step 3, fold that over. And then line up your velcro end here. It'll get it started. Then you want to fold that side under. And fold that side over. Then your last step, you want to fold this part under. And then close up your Velcro. And now you're ready to wear your life jacket.